Hi guys, day 2. This is the marketplace in Kos. Market is indoors there, obviously because of the heat. And we're in the square. Lots of cafes around here. Very old buildings. This is the Kos Old Town. Beautiful little cobbly street this is, and there's quite a lot of shade as well, so it's pretty nice. Beautiful little place. Got some great little bars, restaurants. Really nice atmosphere as well. Nice little boutiques, and everything seems to be quite reasonably priced in Kos compared to the UK, of course. But the old town continues again up the hill. Quite a pretty road this is. Like typical classical buildings that you see in Greece. But it's also got a bit of a Turkish element to it as well. So we've been coming here for about 15 years now, so we've been here many times. Amongst other places. When you come up here in the evening, these bars are completely full of people. And it's a real nice atmosphere. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it there. And keep watching, more videos to come from Greece. And also there's another trip planned to Spain later on in the year. Southern Spain, so we'll be also showing footage of that trip. Everybody have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.